Drug recalls are very important, not only for the patient, but also for the company that dispenses the drugs. Of course, the drug recalls is always going to be to help the patient's safety. That's something to remember when you're working as a pharmacy technician. Your number one concern is the safety of the patient. So there's three different types of recalls that can be done on the drug. I wrote them out, and we'll explain them as we go. But a class 1 recall is when a drug or product will cause a severe reaction that may cause death or irreversible harm. And so this is why the lot number and the expiration dates are so important for the medication, because you'll want to know which medication needs to be recalled, whether it's going to be a certain package that you received or whether it's going to be expired. And so the class 1 recalls is going to prevent death or irreversible harm because they're not going to have that drug selection out on the market anymore. The class 2 recall is when exposure to the drug or product may cause a temporary or medically reversible health hazard. So if someone takes the medication, it's gonna do some damage for a while, and then after, maybe with the other medication, it's going to reverse the damage, or it's just going to go away after a while. And so if they see that, then they're going to go ahead and bring it back, because they're going to go ahead and recall it, because they don't ever want any health hazards with the medication. Side effects and health hazards are a little different. So, and then you have a class 3 recall when there isn't likely to be an adverse health hazard. These are going to usually be from the packaging issues or malfunctioning delivery service. So yeah, now a few things to note, that note of importance is that the FDA, they are not going to go to a company and say, hey, we need you to recall these. Drugs being recalled is going to be the decision of the actual manufacturer. The FDA can say, okay, well, we would highly advise you to recall them, but they're not going to say you have to recall them. However, what they are able to do is the FDA may prevent the manufacturer from sending out any more medications or any more of this type of drug. So that's going to be it for the drug recalls.